Last night, the British naval vessel Devonshire was sunk in the South China Sea. We believe Elliot Carver may have played a part, since his newspaper Tomorrow printed the story before our intelligence team had received a full report. Carver is hosting a large party tonight, and will be busy broadcasting the launch of his global satellite network. His wife, Paris, might have some knowledge of his dealings. Perhaps you can pump her for information.
I wondered what it would feel like if I ever saw you again. Now I know.
That's for walking out on me.
Well, I feel much better. Now what brings you here?
Paris, someone in your husband's organisation was involved in the sinking of the Devonshire and the murder of those British sailors. You don't know anything about that, do you?
Elliot's company is involved in many things, James. I don't keep track of them all.
Look, I'm sorry what happened is, but I need your help.
Well, I know there's a restricted lab.
Ah, Mr. Bond. Won't you allow me to give you a tour of the facilities?